Hello, this is Hop. In the previous video, I was showing you how easy it is to create a data pipeline within Hop. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run this data pipeline in a workflow, which is the equivalent of a job in Pentaho. How do I create a workflow? Very simple. Again, I'm clicking here. This is the previous, the pipeline we created, and now I want to create this or run this pipeline in a workflow. I simply click here on the plus button, and then I say, hey, I would like to create a workflow. And again, it works very similar to Kettle or Pentaho PDI in that matter. Anywhere on the canvas, I click, and I can say, okay, now I would like to add a pipeline executor step. And I also would like to have the success button, of course. I would like to know if a workflow has been successful. And I would also like to know if a transformation would, or like a workflow would be aborted. Okay, now we have all the elements on the canvas. I can rearrange them to make them a little more nicer. And I simply need to build the hops. And again, we can click on that and then add the hop. I prefer simply clicking the shift mouse button, move my mouse, again, mouse, and then we still need to have if the transformation was, or the workflow is unsuccessful, where should the information flowing to? All right, that's all we need to do. And now, final thing, of course, I need to tell the pipeline executor step which pipeline I would like to execute. I have this one, the first pipeline. I can also change the name here, but in this case, I keep it as it is for simplicity. And yeah, that's all I need to do. And now I can run the pipeline. And of course, I need to save it first. Again, I can use here the save button, but I always prefer, I'm lazy, I always prefer the interactive menu, saying, okay, yep, give me the pipeline. I call it my first workflow. I override it, and that's all needs to be done. And I can see the pipeline was successful. I can also see my metrics all around, and that's all needs to be done. That's that's how easy it is to build a workflow in Hop. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can run this transformation. I still have this in mind of the the Pentaho terminology, but in this case, it's workflow. How I can run this workflow on a remote server, or in this case, I'm running it actually on a server on my computer here, just for simplicity. But I can show you how you start the server, how you configure the server, and how you execute a workflow on this server. Okay, thanks, and see you in the next video.